Welcome to our fifth and final day of the 5 days of Restmas. This is one of my favorite restoratives. It's called the Waterfall pose, also known as the Great Rejuvenator. So all you'll need is a chair or couch or something that you can rest your legs over. I like to have an extra blanket underneath me for a little bit extra warmth and cushion, so this feels extra cozy. And then I just have an extra blanket handy to rest over top of me for warmth or grounding. But if you have a weighted blanket, that would make it extra special. So join me as we come down onto our back with our legs over our chair. You want your legs to be supported from the knees all the way down to the ankles. And then you can place your extra blanket over your torso. And we're going to begin our relaxation journey with a little self-massage. So as you get cozy and comfortable, bring your palms together and just begin to rub them, generating a little warmth, energy, and connection. And then closing your eyes and cupping the palms right over the eyes. Just let that warmth and relaxation flow into you as you relax everything underneath your hands. Take a deep breath. And just allow all of the muscles around the eyes to soften and relax. This is particularly lovely if you've been spending a lot of time on computers and screens lately, just to help relieve any eye strain or tension. As we take a few extra moments here, perhaps begin to feel your mind, your senses quieting inwards, leaving the busyness of the day, of the outside world, and turning inwards with a gesture of loving kindness to yourself, tuning in to meet yourself where you are right here, right now, and just know that there's no need to fix or change anything. So we take another easy breath. And now from here, let's slide the heels of the hands up to the center of the forehead and smoothing the forehead out to the temples. We can do that a few times, allowing any excess squinting, tension, overthinking to just melt away here. And it might feel quite lovely to give yourself a scalp massage. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. If it feels good, then you know that you're doing it right for you. It's sort of like receiving a shampoo massage. And don't forget about the occipital bones at the base of the skull, an area where a lot of tension can accumulate, where the neck muscles come up to meet the head. And you could even do some light squeezes down the sides of the neck, tops of the shoulders. And just taking a moment for anything else here that might feel wonderful to you. A little self-massage, self-care as we enter into deep rest and relaxation. So as you're ready, just allowing the arms to come to rest comfortably by your sides or on your body. Feel your whole body relaxing down into the support beneath you, sinking down into the ground, down into the gentle pull of gravity. With each breath, just begin to feel your body growing heavier and more relaxed. And as everything begins to settle in and settle down, begin to notice the soft rise and fall of your breath. Feel your breath moving within your body. Begin to notice the area within your body that in this moment feels the most comfortable and relaxed. And that might be the place where your attention is naturally drawn to. It might be the place where your breath feels the most free and open. And just noticing this place of greatest comfort. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Does it have a color, a texture? And allow this feeling of peace and tranquility to expand and grow and gently flow out through your whole body. Allowing this feeling of peace and relaxation to completely fill the feet, the toes. Allow the feet to completely relax. And allowing this feeling of peace and relaxation to flow up through the legs, filling the legs fully as they completely relax. Allow this peaceful feeling to flow into the hips and the pelvis, completely surrendering the weight of the hips down onto the ground. Relaxing all of the muscles of your belly and lower back. Feel that sweet inner massage as your breath flows through and around all of the abdominal organs. Softening, relaxing the solar plexus and middle back. And feel that quality of peace and relaxation filling the chest, heart, and lungs. Feel as if your lungs could relax all the way down onto the ground. Allow this peace and relaxation to fill the shoulders, the arms, flowing all the way into the palms of the hands. You completely surrender the weight of the chest, shoulders, and arms. Softening the back of your throat. So you feel this quality of relaxation filling the muscles of the face, relaxing the entire head. And feel your entire body, your entire being filled with this deepest peace and tranquility. Relaxing into the sweetness of this present moment. So you enjoy a little quiet time for yourself today. Now again, just feel free to enjoy resting here for as long as you like. Or if you're ready to transition back with me into the rest of your day, begin to take a little deeper breath again. Feeling this quality of lightness and ease filling your whole body, every cell of you. Begin to feel a brightness filling your heart, soft and light. And as you're ready, begin to find a little wiggle and stretch again through your fingers and your toes. Perhaps rolling through the wrists and ankles, getting your joint juices moving again. Have a little stretch, a little yawn. Oh, as you move into your new body, this new sense of ease and peace. Take your time bringing the knees to the chest, perhaps giving yourself a little hug, a little rock. And in the most wonderfully lazy way, begin to roll all the way over onto your side, pausing and resting here. Bringing all of this peace and relaxation with you. And just asking yourself, what would it feel like to move from that place of peace? What would it feel like to move from that place of peace as we begin to find our way back up to a comfortable seat? Bringing your blanket with you for a little extra coziness if you like. Taking a moment to come back to center, to feel everything reorganizing to a whole new wonderful you here as you bring the palms together and just resting the hands in front of the heart center. And what would it feel like to move forward in your day, in your life, from this place of peace? What would be different? And you could just ask yourself as you travel about your day, I wonder what it would feel like to move into my day from this place of peace. And then just watch what happens. Let's close together here with one more beautiful breath in through the heart center, out through your whole body. Bowing in with a gesture of gratitude to your sweet heart. And thank you so much for joining me on this journey to relaxation. Namaste.